just over 2 months trading the Forex Track Expert Advisor, or about 92 days, and this account started off at $10,000, trading at 0.01 lot size, the smallest lot size, and is currently up at $392 in profit. And if we look at this chart right here, which shows the drawdown I've seen so far is about $130. I am trading the turbo version of the Track EA, where it comes with 4 different currency pairs, not just the one that comes with the US CAD. And this one has a reasonably high win rate at about 70%, and the average win is bigger than the average loss. This is the vendor's marketing page, and you can see the Forex Track started off with just the US CAD, and here is a link to my FX book results, which I'll go through in a second. And recently they upgraded to the turbo version, which has 4 different currency pairs, and you'll see that there are 4 different accounts that is a public does have a single currency pairs, whereas mine, you can see I'm trading all 4 different currency pairs. This is one of the vendors My FX book accounts, and you can see this is the US CAD version, and this account started off back in January of 2020, so about 3 years this has been going for, and it started off at $2,000 and is up at $23,000. However, what you can't see in this chart is the drawdown, and you can use this one, but I don't really trust these statistics, which is why I started my own independent review of the Forex Track EA. Here is my MT4 terminal with all the different 4 charts running the Forex Track EA, and for this particular Expert Advisor, it doesn't matter what time frame you put it on, it has the smarts inbuilt to detect and trade accordingly. You can see there are a handful of open trades. They're all trading at starting lot size of 0.01. And if I go to the account history, this account started off at $10,000, and I'll scroll down. You can see a lot of the time it does hit take profit, but the lot size can vary because this is a grid martingale EA where the lot size will increase as price moves against you. The settings for this EA is pretty straightforward. Here is what I'm running. I've just modified the starting lot to 0.01. Everything else is the default settings. Next, what I like to do is look at the worst case scenario that I've seen over the past few months. So I sorted by the lot size, and the biggest one is US CAD of 0.12. So let's open a brand new US CAD chart. And I'll leave it on the 1 hour time frame. I'm just going to hold shift and drag this US CAD trade onto the chart, and I would add every single trade that has happened historically on this particular account onto the chart for easier analysis. And I'm just going to change this from black to white so it's easier on the YouTube eyes to see the buy and sell trades. And the 0.12 US CAD trade happened on the 27th of October. So we're going to scroll back to October, which is this group of trades right here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trade scenario, with the first one being 0.01, and the biggest trade here is 0.12, and they all close up in profit. Looks like about 25% retracement of 63 pips. The overall move on the US CAD was about 220 pips. I call this trading style grid martingale because you can see these are all sell trades right here in the middle, and a grid means every time price goes against you, it opens a brand new trade with a set distance. That is the grid factor, and the martingale factor is that every single trade opened as price moves against you is increasing in lot size. Not all trades turn out to be a grid martingale trade. For example, this trade down here, which is a buy trade, hit take profit, and that was the end of that trade. And so you can see that there is a hedging aspect to this EA. You can see in the red our sells and the blue our buys, and sometimes you have them open at the same time, like in this instance, or down here in this instance, a buy which took a loss and a sell which took a profit. And I will scroll to the left a little bit more so you can see the behavior of the Expert Advisor and how it has traded for the past 92 days. Please don't take this as a recommendation for this Expert Advisor because I am just a random person on the internet.